So as you know, the LG is a very big company. So LG U Plus is one of the LG company. So our company is a mobile telco company in Korea to build the fastest nationwide LTE network. And LG U Plus provide the diverse and comprehensive the wireline and wireless convergence service. And I'll see our business, the next page. Our company has about 6.5K employees, and our revenue is $7 billion. The ratio of the wireless and wired revenue is 6:4. Shown in the picture below, we are growing about 10% annually. So we thought our company is good currently. So if you need more information, visit our homepage. So this is our business area. So there are three areas: the converged home service, and in mobile, and business solution. In converged home service, including the internet and IPTV, and 070 is VIP. In mobile area, we focused LTE and voice over LTE. And business solution includes some e-commerce and ID service and so on. So this picture is our company's vision. So we have a lot of service in here. So some service is commercial, and some service will be commercial. So we have to make the cloud service, and our vision is service with a flow without limitation of time and place. As shown below, the telephony service include IP-centric and IP-PBX service, and telephony line service, and SIP trunking. And the telephony value-added service, UC service, call center, call recording, webpack service. At the top, the right, the enterprise VIP market in South Korea are growing about 0.8 million subscribers annually. As you know, the IT technology in South Korea is faster than other countries in Asia. So after a couple of years, the Asia company market is similar to our market. And we occupied the bottom of the configure, the enterprise VIP market share in South Korea. We occupied 35% of subscribers in South Korea. We are the number one position in this area. We are proud of that. IPPBX solutions contribute. So in 2006, I got a mission to make IPPBX from my boss. It makes me hard, so because we have no skill about the IPPBX technology. We just know the SIP protocol. So at that time, we searched some market, the other PBX solution vendor. They provide to customer high cost. So we try make the low cost model. And second, as you know, we have no scale about the IPPBX solution. So we can start this project So exception, the reference platform, like Asterisk. And we deliver it fastly to preemption in this market. And third is if we don't own our PBX technology, the customer are not satisfied to me persistently. So the low cost and the fast delivery on technology, those three reasons is to choose Asterisk. Low cost is Asterisk is open source, so license is free, and the fast delivery is built the basic reference model, the own technology, because they have open source. What is DCS? The DCS full name is Digital Communication System. Actually, origin name is DACOM Communication System, but the DACOM is merged in LG U+. So nowadays we call the DCS is Digital Communication System. So DCS is IPPBX based on Asterisk. DCS was first launched in 2007 and self-developed using Asterisk, and more than 50 functions and low cost and direct installation and AS, and customized service like recording and CRM and ARS service. Here is our system architecture. The customer network has a DCS and IP phone and Wi-Fi phone, and another customer network, DCS and IP phone and analog phone and some gateway. The core network has APS and soft switch and backup system and media server. We have all of things, so it makes more powerful. The customer needs some change the solution, we can handle it because we have all of things. So our company is a very strong point, I think. And also those two networks will be connected to P2P connection to Precore. It's possible. What is different point others vendors? I'll talk two things. The first thing is simple and strong web. The first is simple UX. I captured this picture because only this picture has English. Another page is on only the Korean. So, and this picture and pick up. So IPPBX solution is web is very so complicated. So only certificate engineer they handle. So we try to make use web simply. If someone runs just a couple of hours, you can handle it. The second is fast and easy selling. So we sell 9,000 IPPBX, and every month we sell over 100 PBX. So it means our engineers so busy. So our engineers have to install fast. So we make web the fast and easy to set up. And third thing is account management is very strict. So if manager access web, he can handle everything. But if user is access web, he can handle only some profile or some telephone configuration and some address book. It is very important. In 2008, we didn't separate the account management. So it makes me some problem. The customer didn't know what he did. So nowadays we have adding some history function. Someone logging and someone handles some functions, everything will be logged. So who handled this and where did he handle this? When he did handle this, like that. So second thing is the automatic device management. We have already I said we have APS. APS is auto provisioning system. We have a lot of devices like IP phone and Wi-Fi phone and smartphone. So they use them. We have to give some information to them. That information includes device firmware version and some IP address, some ID and password. So if your firmware is different, the device will be automatically upgraded through the APS. When the customers want to use our service, the engineer insert device information into the APS. After device is turned on, the device will connect the APS and it will get firmware and configuration information, and then device will be automatically work. So our APS, the system control more than 1 billion devices. Here's the pictures. We have always the active and standby system. So it's our STARS experience. We focused the SMB customer. Here's first. In 2007, we launched DCS 50 and DCS 100 and 200. But the subscribe didn't increase rapidly. So we looked into the market and we know two things. The one thing is customer want low cost. And second thing is there was many company which had over 100 employees. So we add two models for SMB market. This is DCS 10 and DCS 30. It was successful. We get more 7,000 customers using the DCS 10 and DCS 30. And second thing is one platform strategy. We have 6 models in here, DCS 10 and DCS 30, and DCS 50, and DCS 120, and 1000. These are the platform architecture is x86. So we choose one platform. Though we use other platform like ARM architecture in the DCS 10 or DCS 30, we didn't take the other architecture because it means CapEx is high to maintenance them. So we had just one source package. All model has the same software package. It makes to maintenance them. And all customer experience is the same quality of service. And third thing is when the DCS 10 and DCS 30 is popular, the DCS 10 and DCS 30 has sometimes broken. We find the reason. The most of the problem is the disk problem. Because the DCS 10 and DCS 30 is not a high-cost machine, just only like a small, tiny desktop. So sometimes broken in disk. So we improved the quality. We changed the type of disk from HDD to SSD. So now we are the number one position in market. And 2 years ago, we tried to sell the big company which has more than 1,000 employees. So we did it. So some resort company became our customer. The resort company name is Seongwoo Resort and Phoenix Park Resort in Korea. So the success point is customized solution. As shown below, they don't only IPv6 solution because they have other system like legacy system here and the call center system. They want interoperability between IPv6 and their own system. So we proposed customized solution, adding the resort solution. So first is the room managing sub system. When the guest in a room calls to information desk, employee know the number through the web browser, and employee also control room policy like limitation of the outbound call. And second is some CRM service, and third is billing service. These are service interoperability with the system. So when the customers calls to employee, he will respond to them using our solution. Here is another case. We sold dishes to the factory company. The company name is DSME, the Daewoo Shipping Building Marine Enterprise. They make a ship, very big ship. And this company is a very big company. The revenue is $30 billion. Yeah. So their company's employees want to call anywhere when they are moving, because this company has a big and many factories and wide area. So we propose a Wi-Fi control system and MVIP solution. So Wi-Fi control is to cover the wide area, and MVIP is to call anywhere. So as you know, when you use Wi-Fi and the 3G network together, the battery usage decreases faster than only one network. So we proposed MVIP solution including special codec. So this codec uses less the battery usage than G711, about 15%. Yeah. And the future plan. We want to sell our service more, so we make our service attractive to customer. So currently, our device is only the audio-based phone. You can hear the IP phone and IP key phone and Wi-Fi phone. So we feature right now the video IP phone or the smartphone and the home device based on Android. And we will make the web-based terminal using the WebRTC. So these are the device will be able to use video and multimedia messaging service and guarantee mobility. So our company already has set up the IMS network. So DCS will the various IMS-based service like HD voice and video and ICS and multimedia sharing service between the subscribers. We have both VIP and mobile subscriber. I will also the service seamless between the mobile and VIP subscriber. Yeah, that's its conclusion. With the release of DCS solution based on Asterisk, we have a success in SMB VIP market. Through this successful achievement, we learned a variety of know-how and experience. And for the future, we plan expand the device lineup and develop various multimedia IMS-based service. So thank you for listening my presentation. Any question? Oh, here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
If I understood correctly, you are an operator
Yes.
in Korea,
Yeah.
and possibly the biggest operator.
Yes.
And while you were choosing Asterix platform, what other vendors did you have in the shortlist, or if you had any?
We self-develop. We don't choose vendor.
Okay, you decided to self-develop your own solution.
Yeah.
And is it multi-tenant? Multi-tenant means the customers, the slide you showed about the configurations you chose for different customer segments from 10 users to 4,000 users.
Okay.
Are you dedicating different servers to each customer, or are you using a multi-tenant solution where multiple customers can log into different servers?
Just server is one customer use one server.
One customer use one server.
Yeah, this is not the centric service.
Okay.
IPPX.
Okay, so the solution is not multi-tenant. That's
Yeah.
okay.
Right.
Thank you.
Do we have any other questions for Kwonsik? No? All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
감사합니다.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
We'll probably pull you aside and ask you questions. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Great. So our next session actually doesn't start till 11. Make sure you fill out the